Hello everyone, this is Anuprati Devnath, a trainee under Lexus and Company for the month of June. So here, as you have watched the title below, what this video is all gonna be about. So let's get started. So what it says is that rupees 4 lakh for COVID victims, Center tells Supreme Court about it doesn't tells, it asks the questions. So what it says, the center in its affidavit also said due to increased health expenses and low tax revenue, it is beyond state's budget to pay compensation for lakhs of COVID patients. So actually the central government states the Supreme Court saying that it is seen, COVID is actually seen by the central government as natural disaster. So they can't compensate it with 4 lakhs for every families who are COVID affected, or rather in a very disaster way when it is a COVID affected, because they see it as an unfair ground. So actually it was passed in an 183 affidavit that the center has also added to pay. So it was filed in 183 pages affidavit. So okay. Now the center added that deadly disease has caused more than 3.85 lakh deaths. According to my some informations, I would like to tell some other stories regarding this deaths, that people already have started throwing dead bodies in the second wave only in the Gangas. Now altogether they have got the water bodies, they have collected the bodies and dumped it in the it's not that, in the cemetery. Now what it says is that, so the people have gone that much crazy, or the places are insufficient, everything is at negative point, each and everything. What is positive, people are generally saying what is positive is about the quarantine, that people had got to know each other, or technology have brought them closer. These are not important things. Life is important. If you save yourself, or if you survive, then only that matters. For survive, then only you will talk about surviving with other necessities. Am I getting into the point? So that's the case. So 3.85 lakh deaths were caused, which is likely to increase. Obviously third wave is still, we are waiting for the third wave, because I don't know how many waves it's gonna come. I wanted to have that water waves, running in the beach, spending time with families, but here I am spending time in the COVID wave. So the government response comes to the Supreme Court as that is unruly and unaffected. That can't be that much. There is no such sufficient money to spend on every people. That's the case. Now explaining the disaster management, the law states that due to the huge ratio of the cause effect of the COVID, there is no sufficient resources available, but this money is only according to law can be given during floods, earthquakes, and the natural disaster which we naturally comes into our head. Then again, my question is, these laws are for whom? If these laws are for your book purpose, then keep it. We are waiting for the flood to get compensation or damages. Or if these floods are not for them, if we are not waiting for the floods, then what about our future? 4 lakh rupees, like that 4 lakh rupees is not needed for our family, because people either look for the lower class family or the higher class family, just ignoring the middle class family because they are looted. Now the center in its affidavit also stated that due to its increased health expenses and low tax revenue, states cannot afford to pay. Thank you for watching this video.